Hello and welcome to the codecom.org. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro 17 on Windows 11. So for this you need to open your browser. I'm opening Firefox. You can use whatever browser you want. So in the search bar you can search for download VMware Workstation Pro. This will take you to the latest link available for the VMware Workstation Pro download. From this website or this page you can scroll down and click on download now. So this is for Windows and we need it for Windows. We're not using it for Linux, so I will do a video for installing VMware Workstation Pro 17 on Linux in a different video. So this VMware Workstation Pro is not available for Mac. They have a different product available for Mac OS, which is VMware Fusion. So I will be creating another video for installing VMware Fusion on Mac operating system. So right now let's click on download now. So the download is already started. I'm going to cancel the download because I already downloaded before I start recording this video, so I don't want you guys to wait and watch me downloading the software for like a couple minutes. It always depends on your internet speed. So let's open my download folder. Just go to File Explorer, click on download. So here is the setup. You can right click and click as a run as an administrator. So be patient. The setup will take a little while to run the installation wizard because it always depends on your computer hardware and speed. So here is the installation wizard. So just click on next and accept the term and conditions. Next, and these two options, one is for creating a shortcut on desktop and another one is creating a shortcut folder on start menu, which is here. So I don't want any shortcuts on desktop, so I will keep the shortcut on the start menu. It's installing all the dependencies and drivers, so you need to be patient and keep waiting while it's doing its thing. So remember, it will always depend on your computer speed and hardware. So the installation is done and we need to click on finish. As I have selected that I want a shortcut folder on my start menu for the VMware Workstation, so I could go to my my start menu and search for the VMware Workstation Pro. So if you just install the software, it will come in the recent tab here. So when you click on the VMware Workstation Pro, so it asks for a license key. If you have a license key you can enter here, but we want to try it for 30 days, and if we liked it we can purchase it later. So I want to try VMware 17 for 30 days and continue. Yes, here is our brand new VMware Workstation Pro for creating virtual machines like Linux, macOS, and Windows Server, Windows 10, all the operating systems. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's it for this video. See you in the next video.